We got some great news for Marvell technology stock investors as the share price is up over 30% in the last month. In this video, I'm going to share with you the details of why the stock price is increasing and what Marvell technology investors have to look forward to according to what the management team said in their latest investor meeting.
I want to thank the Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. Visit fool.com/parkev for the 10 best stocks to buy now.
So Marvell is benefiting from the increase in spending in the data centers optimized for artificial intelligence, and it's competing with Broadcom for similar products that go into these data centers. The company has 18 multi-generational XPU and XPU attached sockets and over 50 new pipeline opportunities worth an estimated $75 billion of lifetime revenue potential. So in its latest investor meeting, the company's management team went at length discussing how the opportunities they expect in artificial intelligence are much better than they expected just a few short months ago. They concluded with their plan to grow their data center market share from 13% of a $33 billion total addressable market opportunity in calendar 24, and they upgraded that to a 20% market share of a $94 billion total addressable market opportunity by 2028. So if you do the math there, 13% of $33 billion gives them an estimated revenue, let's say around $4 billion in calendar year 2024. So from that $4 billion, they expect to increase to 20% of $94 billion, which would be almost $20 billion in revenue. Let's say $18-19 billion in revenue from this category in 2028 with a higher market share. And usually when you have a higher market share, it comes with higher profit margins because you generate pricing power when you have higher market share. And so this is certainly great news for Marvell technology stock investors, and one of the reasons why the stock price is up over 30% in the last month. Of course, a month ago, I upgraded this stock to a buy. So those of you that watched that video and followed that recommendation and got in at those lower prices, congratulations on your nice gains. So already in their data center end market, they achieved record revenue in the second quarter of $1.5 billion. That was up 3% from the previous quarter, but more importantly, it was up 69% year over year. The strong performance was led by their custom XPU and XPU attached products, as well as their electro-optics interconnect portfolio. This is similar to the success Broadcom is having with similar products. They compete in similar categories. Broadcom's stock price, of course, if you've been following, is soaring near record highs. So AI and cloud continue to be the primary drivers, accounting for over 90% of their data center revenue, with the remainder coming from the on-premise portion of their data center end market. So most businesses are developing and utilizing artificial intelligence in the cloud, using companies like Amazon and Microsoft and Alphabet and their cloud infrastructure to develop and use the technology. Some companies are developing artificial intelligence on-premise, on-site. Those are companies that want more security features and feel safer having their technology on-premise. So this document I'm reading from is the company's most recently completed earnings call with Wall Street Analyst. I made this highlighted document available for my channel members, and you can join my channel for less than $5 a month. There's a link in the description where you can see all the benefits we offer as part of a channel membership. This is only one of those benefits, and there are dozens and dozens of these already available, and I'm adding to them regularly. So as I mentioned, I had upgraded Marvell stock to a buy a month ago because my proprietary discounted cash flow valuation model showed that the stock was significantly undervalued. Well, the share price is jumping, and now the market price is well above the intrinsic value per share I calculated, trading at 87 compared to 63 intrinsic value. So today I downgraded Marvell stock to a hold from the buy rating I initiated or I updated a month ago. There's been a lot of change in the AI market, and these ratings, some of the companies are experiencing changes in ratings more frequently than usual. Hey everyone, so many of you have been asking about my investing strategy, and I'm excited to announce that I've written a book that's available for sale now that describes my 6-step investing framework for evaluating stocks. I've added the link in the description below.